why there's boats out there.
103.7 WQOL, a very gray, wet, windy day across the Treasure Coast.
Yep.
Should be really going downhill after 5 or 6 tonight. Listen to us on your battery-operated radio or on your phone with the iHeartRadio app. Make sure you've got the app, and when you open it, type in 103.7 WQOL. That way you can enjoy us and hear the nonstop coverage of Nichole this evening. Of course, make sure that phone is fully charged up as well. Just keep it on the charger all day long so that when the power does go out, you'll start fresh at 100%. The Vero Beach Holiday Art and Craft Expo is this week.
Target detergent jug is 85% water, right?
85% water? I thought I was getting a better deal because it's so big.
If you want a better clean, Tide Pods are only 12% water. The rest is pure concentrated cleaning ingredients.
Oh, pass me the intercom thing.
Attention shoppers. If you want a real deal, try Tide Pods.
Don't pay for water, pay for clean.
Anajar at the law offices of Anajar and Levine at 1-800-747-FREE. That's 1-800-747-3733 and take back control of your life.
I can't believe that's the river.
The Vero Beach Holiday Art and Craft Expo is this weekend at the Indian River County Fairgrounds. Free admission with 300 booths of amazing by vendors from all over the USA. Just in time for that perfect handmade gift. More info at Art and Craft Expo.
No cars on the street.
and something else. What led us to go green before it was fashionable? And reduce our dependence on foreign oil
Back up.
back in 2001. All while standing up
For the Black Friday Right Now event, where you'll get our lowest new Nissan prices of the year, right when you get to our dealership. That's on a huge new Nissan inventory. Plus, buy with 0 money down. And shop the best used cars with Black Friday payments from $99 a month. And this month, your credit approval is 100% guaranteed. Only in Fort Pierce. Hurry to Black Friday now at Sutherland Nissan Fort Pierce. Online at NissanFortPierce.com. See dealer for details. The Home Design Outdoor
Floors.com today.
South Florida, we've got the Broncos. Wayne Acres Ford, we have the largest selection of Ford Broncos in Dade, Broward, and Palm Beach counties. 45 in stock and ready to deliver. Outer Banks, Big Bend, hard tops, soft tops, you
Get early access to Macy's Black Friday specials on gifts that love. At prices you will too. Now while supplies last. Like 40% off boots and shoes for him and for her. Sweaters for him and her. $24.99. And 60% off holiday decor, hosting essentials, and so much more. Plus, download the free app for more Black Friday deals at Macy's. Savings off sale and clearance prices.
Yeah. Of course, the bathrooms are locked.
You did you pee anywhere?
No, I'm not going to get a ticket.
Oh no, you didn't.
I walked all the way to that building.
Oh damn. Poor baby. Are you wet?
Where's he going?
Are you wet? You
No.
don't look wet.
I don't feel. I'm not wet at all.
Wow, the wind is drying
It's
it.
just the wind's blowing the water from the shore.
Wow, look at the jetty out there. Break free.
All right, where are you going?
Uh-oh, he's blowing at you. What a moron.
Who's blowing at me?
Somebody is going, brrr. That white car behind you. Can't wait. Look at him right there. Got a real far Christ fellowship
Mercedes.
person. Go that
wanna
way
get
and go
out?
around. No, I want you to get this way and go
You want
around.
to get out?
No, I want you to go that way and go around.
I was going to park right there and you could get out. That's the news
All right, we'll
team
park
right there.
right
You could
there.
be on the news.
Go ahead, park. I don't want to be on the damn news.
Why?
Because I don't. Watch out.
I'm watching.
I really don't
You
want to
could be
get
on
out.
the news.
I really don't want to be on the news right now. My hair looks like shit.
Come on, it's a
What
hurricane
the?
party.
Yeah, it's a hurricane party, all right. Where's the chips? Where's the potato chips and all the good fun food? We don't have any.
See how windy it is?
Yep. What is he doing to her?
Trying to zip her jacket
Oh
up.
my God.
Get back in the truck and do it. Look at this little girl. She can't stand up.
No, really?
Yeah. This is
When
where
I
we're-
started taping you walking, it said, "Hey, you out there in the cold, always doing what you're told. Can you help me?" And you're just like walking, and the wind's blowing your hair.
Posted for Florida's East Coast, north of Palm Beach.
Look at that Nissan van. That's
Update.
weird
Full story,
looking.
GatorRocks.com.
Look at that tree. Talk about
I
bent
know.
over. Don't get in a hurry, asshole. Get out and enjoy nature.
All right. Look at the birds picking up fish.
There you go. Get your video. Let me roll the window down.
I don't know. No, it's coming right in. No, it'll be all over my phone. No.
It's not raining.
Are you kidding me? My face is all, look at my glasses.
That was just
It's
sprinkles
blowing
off
right
the top.
in. Okay. And it's still early yet. They're fishing over here. Look at these guys.
Because the fish are being pushed in.
Yep. Took his sons out there. He took his boys out there. 2 boys and a dad. Well, let's drive on the wrong side of the world. Are we in jolly old England?
I'm off pee.
All right, go ahead. Ain't nobody gonna see you. Walk right to the edge of that thing over there and just don't step off with your broken toe and everything. Come here, stand here and go.
I'm peeing.
Oh, okay.
Generals gathered in their masses, just like witches at black masses. Evil minds that plot destruction, sorcerer of death's construction. In the fields of bodies burning, as the war machine keeps turning, death and hatred to mankind, poisoning their brainwashed minds. Oh Lord, yeah.
Stop. Dog.
Toto, we're not in Kansas anymore. Truck to float away. Used to be a beach there.